In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the GeForce experience unable to download recommended driver. Now what you want to do is you simply want to uninstall the GeForce experience, and then we want to download something else. So go to apps and features, and in here you want to search for GeForce experience. Once you've done that, you want to click on it and uninstall. So here. And once you've done that, you want to head over to Google and search for NVIDIA app. So just NVIDIA app, just like this. And you should download this one. This is the new and updated version. It's gonna look like this. Once you've downloaded this, you're simply just gonna head over to drivers, click on this for check for updates, and you will be able to take the latest driver. So that's basically how it works, guys. It's really simple. You just need to get the new version of it, and then it should be fixed. Now, when you download it, you might have to restart your PC before it works, so just keep that in mind. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.